I asked for a toonie!
Disgusting!
Gave you a loony, this broke people shit.
You can't slide, you can't drive! Yeah! That's it!
That is dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Let's go. Yeah. So where are we going?
I'm going to pick up the Gixxer. The 750S. Had an oil leak. Oh wait, no, it's not a 750S. It's a Gixxer 750.
You're riding it back?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and catch that on camera as much as I can. You know, within my legal limits.
Today's a sunny day, so
yeah.
Probably the last sunny day of the season.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Very classy. Notice how your voice even dropped?
Yeah, so you gotta keep it classy.
Yeah.
Jacket's so warm, I'm telling you guys.
Yeah.
If you want a warm jacket, this is where it's at.
If you want to sweat like a pig.
Well, that's in the summertime. If you want a warm jacket, like right now and during this season, you want to ride, that's a nice one.
That's the jacket to get.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
What's up, bro? Is Jay here? Oh, not yet? I came to pick up the Gixxer.
Do this for a while, ish. Alright, so you're riding back. I'll follow you in the truck.
Here, you know?
I don't know if I'm following you in the truck. I don't know if I can keep up, but you know.
No, I'm gonna drive safe within the limit.
Okay, always. Coming from the guy that drives 200 miles an hour at a wall.
Which wall? Sideways?
Sideways.
Yeah, but we do that legally, not illegally. Keep everything on the track, guys, and in a controlled environment on private property. That's what I've been telling you guys from day one, and nobody listens. But that's the way it should always be done. Don't be taking it on the streets. Keep it on private property, guys. Just like my hair should be on private property. Giving away a lot of stuff. $1,000. Did somebody say $1,000? Yeah, I'm telling you guys, that was me. I said $1,000 worth of car parts. $1,000, you can buy a lot of car parts. I'm telling you guys, and you'll enter to win a car, a free car. Did somebody? Yeah, I said a free car, guys. And it's gonna be wild. And it's not just any normal car. It's got some 2 spoolie boys. It's got some wide booty, some 3-piece rims. So you'll be decked out. You'll be ready for summer. I'm telling you, once we reveal this car, everybody's gonna want an entry. Because we got 10 different people that can win.
These cars cost so much fucking money that you need to use money to actually fix it. Alright?
My broke ass.
I asked for a tuning! Disgusting!
Gave you a loony, this broke people.
Huracan. You gotta say it like that. Just like the Urs, you can't say Urs. It's Urs.
Looking blessed, Lee?
It'll be blessed when it's done. And we go through the final analysis of what's happened.
Alright, we're gonna pick apart Rob's work?
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna pick apart his work.
Pick it apart, baby. Ready? Oh, you missed a clip. That's okay. It's gonna come back. I gotta take it all apart again. Give that back to E.
E's loony.
I gave it to Sean to give back to you.
I'm taking it! Yo, E. Rob said for me to tell you that he lost your loony. What the fuck?
You gotta get underneath it, but it's super clean.
Yeah. Damn! Yo, Salim, that's a nice hoodie there.
Oh, thanks, man. You guys can get it online at toofastinc.ca. Check out what else we got online. A lot of stuff. And if you don't see something on there that we carry, you better know that we can get it.
Yeah.
TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
English. So high off this rubber.
You're laughing against every time.
If you can't slide, you can't drive. It is what it is.